both. So this is is this the difficult part where you connect this tow bridle, or?
Once you know how to do it, it's really not difficult.
And all we're doing is making it to where this little loop right here, I pull this and I disconnect.
Yes, sir. So essentially it's a quick release system. It's similar setup to skydiving rigs. Where you got one that goes into the next, then goes into the next, that goes into the pin.
Gotcha. Ah, thank you. My emergency cutaway.
Alright, good to go.
And then this is good, right?
Yes.
And that's
Andy, final check.
It's good. It's good. Chest strap, chin strap.
oh, I didn't get the fluffy thing.
Take your helmet off.
The fluffy?
What?
The fluffy? What do we call it?
Buff.
Buff.
Here you
The
get
buff.
the power panda.
Sweet.
This is what makes good acro pilots good acro pilots.
On the pilot.
The buff.
Yep, we gotta get radio check on the
Just wanted above my.
Check.
I hear.
One more time. Check.
Yeah.
Radio check.
Yeah, I think I hear both.
Radio check.
Alright, I know you do this.
But yes.
Door is closed. Your road leads to your brakes, which is free and clear.
Is it free and clear? Free and clear? Good.
Free and clear fully.
Okay. Free and clear.
Is it, Captain?
This is so weird having you guys put the A's in there and me not doing it. What's that?
Your shoulders clear. Your wing, go ahead and feel your tension on your A's. Looks good. We'll half step back.
Now when you're ready.
I'm ready. Am I going over all that stuff? That's gonna be fun. All right, here we go. All right, so now.
Alright, I'm taking over. Remember, we're going to stay to the outside of the turn. Stay to your left on the outside of the turn. That's far enough. So we are going to be going through the grass.
All right. Whew. So this is going to be our toe up.
Too far. Come back towards your right a little. Come back towards.
Okay, coming back.
Hold that heading.
So now with the Insta3, well, no, this is not the Insta. This is the GoPro Max 360. It's waterproof for a dunk, thank goodness. The big thing is, will you be able to hear me in this wind? And is it worth it if you're going to be paragliding or shit, even doing SIVs? Look at how beautiful it is out here. We're gaining altitude pretty quick.
Okay, so now start moving to your right. To your right. Stay to the outside on your right.
So today coming up here, all I want to do is some spirals and flat spirals, maybe even a set. GoPro, stop recording.